Hello guys, Softoni here, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a powerful and modern flip transition in Premiere Pro. So if you enjoy smooth and stylish edits, make sure to like, comment, and let's dive in. Alright guys, here we are in Premiere Pro, and from today I'm expanding this channel with Premiere Pro tutorials, also alongside After Effects. This is the first Premiere Pro tutorial and hopefully just the beginning of many more to come. And my goal is to help you learn new editing techniques, transitions, and also creative effects in a fun and a simple way. So stay tuned, new videos are coming every week. Alright, and here as you can see I have already created this final sequence, and you can also do it, just go here, File, find here New, and to create new sequence. And also as you can see here inside the final sequence, here is my first drone footage and the second one, and now we will create this cool looking flip transition. And now let's go here inside the effects, and you can also expand this option video transition, select here on this little triangle, and now open up this film impact animation, and select this first one, block motion impact, and just drag and drop onto the second clip. And now as you can see when we hit space, this is gonna be our animation. Now you can select this transition, go here inside the effects control, okay, and here you can play around with a bunch of different options. You can expand the duration of the transition, for example let's go 2.5 seconds, something like this, hit space again. And now as you can see our animation is gonna be smoother than before. And guys, you can also play around here with a bunch of different options, frequency, amplitude, decay, and everything else. Let's try maybe for the frequency 5 or so. Let's hit space. Now we have something like this. And you can also change here type, maybe from overshoot to bounce. And now as you can see we have different type of curve here. And for the bounces, let's expand this for example 10. Let's hit space. Let's make this one shorter. Okay. And also you can play around with a bunch of different options like initial velocity, elasticity, and so many more. Let's increase this number up for the initial velocity. Let's go to around maybe 50 or so. Let's make this shorter. Let's hit space again here inside the final sequence. And as you can see, this is gonna be our cool looking animation. And also guys, this was the first tutorial here inside the Premiere Pro, and if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider to subscribe. And also take a look at my channel, you can find a bunch of different tutorials in After Effects and Premiere Pro. And until next time, stay creative and bye bye!